Good day everyone, I'm Arnold Vivaliana. For today's video, we will discuss our business model canvas about Minifan Rechargeable. There are 9 building blocks. First building block is customer segment. Customer segment is the specific groups of people or organizations a business aims to reach and serve. For the rechargeable Minifan, this includes teenagers, age groups from 18 to 30 years old, and adults, age groups from 31 to 59 years old. Includes students, young professionals, parents, and individuals who are tech-savvy and value convenience. Senior citizen, age from 60 years old and above. Both males and females who may require a portable cooling solution for comfort and ease of use, especially in areas without air conditioning. Workers, aged typically from 18 to 60 years old, both professionals and non-professional workers who need portable cooling while commuting, at their workplace, or during outdoor activities. The second building block is value proposition. Value proposition is the unique value a product or service provides to its customers, addressing their needs and solving their problems. For the rechargeable Minifan, this includes pains, discomfort from heat, especially in areas with inadequate air conditioning or during travel, inconvenience of bulky, immobile cooling solutions. Gains, offers portable, convenience, and efficient cooling solutions. Easy to carry and use in different settings, providing immediate relief from heat. Energy efficient cooling. Uses minimal energy which is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Innovation in stylish design. Modern, sleek designs that appeal to aesthetics-conscious users. Various colors and styles option to suit personal preferences. The third building block is channels. Channels means through which a company delivers its value proposition to its customers. For the rechargeable Minifan, this includes direct channels, face-to-face conversation, direct sales through physical stores or pop-up shops, allowing customers to interact with the product before purchasing. Social media, marketing and sales through social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, leveraging influencers and targeted ads to reach different segments. Distributor partners, collaboration with retail partners and distributors to expand market reach and make the product available in various locations such as electronics stores, convenience stores, and online marketplaces.
Hi, I'm Ginelle B. Macabio. When it comes to customer relationships, we prioritize online customer support. Our team is dedicated to helping customers with any questions or concerns they may have. We also offer warranty and after-sales service to ensure customer satisfaction and build trust in our brand. Engaging with our customers on social media is important to us. It allows us to connect, share updates, and create a community around the Minifan. Our revenue streams came from various sources. We earn from selling Minifan units, providing after-sale services with other businesses. A sales of Minifan units, where we make money by selling the Minifans directly to customers or through stores. This is our main way of earning revenue. A after-sales services. By offering services like repairs or maintenance after the sale, we can earn extra money while keeping customers happy.
Key resources of our Minifan is the product development design. We conduct thorough market research to identify trends and consumer preferences to inform product development. Next is the intellectual property management. We maintain detailed records of intellectual property ownership and usage rights. Then the customer service. Tailor customer service interactions to individual preferences to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. And lastly, the financial planning and management. We utilize financial planning software to track expenses, forecast revenue, and monitor financial performance. When it comes to the key activities of our minifan, we have here the manufacturing. We develop a unique design for our minifan that sets it apart from our competitors. We implement efficient manufacturing processes to produce our minifan while maintaining quality standards. Next is the product improvement. We gather feedback from customers to identify areas for improvement and innovation. And lastly is the partnership platforms. Collaborating with suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors that align with your brand values and quality standards.
Our key partners include suppliers of minifan components. These are the companies that provide us with parts needed to create our innovative fans. Distributors and retailers play a crucial role in getting our minifans into the hands of customers. They help us reach a wider audience and make our product accessible. Collaborating with marketing and advertising agencies is essential. They help us create engaging campaigns to promote the minifan and increase brand visibility.
The last building block is cost structure. The cost structure in the business model canvas outlines all the costs and expenses a business incurs to operate and deliver its products and or services. It includes both fixed and variable costs, such as non-recurring costs. Under non-recurring costs are corporate setup, initial expenses related to legally establishing the business, such as company registration, legal fees, and administrative setup. Development. One-time cost for research and development. Product design, prototyping, and testing to bring a new product to market. Tooling. Cost for creating molds and specialized tools necessary for manufacturing the product, including setup of production equipment. Recurring costs. Under recurring costs are manufacturing costs, ongoing expenses associated with the production process, including factory operations, equipment maintenance, and labor involved in manufacturing. Distribution costs. Costs incurred to store, handle, and transport the product to various distribution channels and customers, such as shipping, warehousing, and logistics fees. Marketing and advertising expenses. Continuous spending on activities to promote and advertise the product, including digital marketing, traditional media ads, and promotional campaigns. Raw materials and labor. Legal costs for the materials needed to produce the product, such as plastic, metal components, batteries, and electronics. Labor costs for workers involved in production, assembly, quality control, and other operational roles. Marketing campaigns. Ongoing expenses for developing and executing marketing strategies to attract and retain customers, including content creation, social media, and promotional events.